Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I will show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button, let's do this once again. So by double press the power key button, we could see that the camera app is activated. But for example, if you wanna use the Google system by double press the power key button, you should open first the settings, scroll down to the system and tap the power key behavior and switch launch camera to launch assist app. And now by double press the power key button, we could see that the Google Assistant app successfully activated. To turn off this option, switch just launch assistant or launch camera to none. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.